Hello students, now in previous video we solved question number 1 and 2 of exercise 4.3. Now in this video we are going to start the question number 3 of 4.3 exercise quadratic equation. Now the third question is that find out the roots of the following equation. Now see here, the given equations are not in the form of quadratic form. Okay, so first we resolve this into the quadratic form and then we apply the quadratic formula. Okay, now first question is that x minus 1 upon x equals to 3. So for solving we are taking here LCM of these two terms, then we get that x square minus 1 equal to 3. This x square minus 1 equals to 3x, and when we shift it then we get x square minus 3x minus 1 equals to 0. So student, now you can see that this is a quadratic equation. Now when you compare it with ax square, on comparing it by ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then we get a equals to 1, b equals to minus 3 and c equals to minus 1. By putting these values in the quadratic formula, what we get, x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac अपॉन 2a. आपको हर क्वेश्चन में फॉर्मूला नोट करना है, ओके, ताकि आपको उससे फॉर्मूला ऐसे ही लर्न हो जाए, आपको अलग से उसे लर्न ना करना पड़े. बी स्क्वायर मीन्स माइनस 3 स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इंटू 1 इंटू सी की वैल्यू माइनस 1, देन वी गेट 2 इंटू 1. Similarly, you can solve 9 minus minus plus 4 upon 2. Now मैं इस क्वेश्चन को यहीं छोड़ रही हूँ. आपको इसे कंप्लीट करना है. आप इसे सेम एज अबाउट जैसे हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 सॉल्व किया है, यू कैन प्रोसीड सेम इन दिस वे. ओके, नाउ आई स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर second part of this question. Now the second part of this question is minus 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 equals to 11 by 30. So for this again we are taking LCM. Now by taking LCM we get x plus 4 x minus 7 as LCM, and this x minus 7 and this x plus 4. When we solve it, this becomes x minus 4 7 minus x minus 4 upon x square minus 7x plus 4x and minus 28 11 upon 30. Now this get x is x cancel, it becomes minus 11. This x square minus 3x minus 28 equals to 11 upon 30. You can see that 11 and 11 is there, so we can cancel it. Now it becomes minus 30 by cross multiplication. Here is minus 1 is remaining, so it becomes minus 1 into 30 is minus 30, and it becomes x square minus 3x minus 28. When you solve it, x square plus 3x x square minus 3x minus 28, and it becomes plus 30 equals to 0. So x square minus 3x and this become plus 2 equals to 0. Clear? Now you can see this given equation we convert into the quadratic equation. You can solve by using the quadratic formula. I leave the question here and you can proceed same as above by using the quadratic formula. So students, now we start the next word problems which are very important in this chapter. So we start with word problems. Okay, now question number 4, that is the sum of reciprocal of Rahman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Then find his present age. Okay, so students, for this we suppose that let Rahman's present age is equals to x years. Now 3 years ago Rahman's age is equals to x minus 3 year, and 5 years from now Rahman's age is equals to x plus 5 year. Now for this we can say that according to question. What according to question? Question is saying that the sum of reciprocals, okay, reciprocals means उसका उल्टा कर देना, अपोजिट कर देना, न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर, डिनोमिनेटर को न्यूमरेटर चेंज कर देना. सो रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द रहमान्स एज, कब का रेसिप्रोकल? दे आर आस्किंग 3 years ago एंड 5 years फ्रॉम नाउ. तो 3 years ago की हमारी एज है x माइनस 3, तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा? x 1/x माइनस 3 एंड सम विथ x प्लस 5. ओके, सो इन दोनों का जो सम है इट बिकम्स 1/3. सो द अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन द सम ऑफ, सी हियर, सम ऑफ रेसिप्रोकल्स ऑफ रहमान्स एज 3 years ago and this is from 5 years from now. So this is the reciprocal of these two ages and the sum is that 1/3. Okay, when you solve it, for this again we are taking LCM, x plus 5 plus x minus 3. Now x 2x plus 5 minus 3 upon x square so when you solve this 2x plus 2 upon x square plus 2x minus 15 equals to 1/3. By cross multiplication we get 6x plus 6 and this equals to x square plus 2x minus 15. So we get that x square plus 2x minus 15 minus 6x minus 6 equals to 0. Then x square, this and this term becomes minus 4x and this is becomes minus 21 equals to 0. Now we get the x square minus 4x minus 21 equals to 0. Now मैं इस क्वेश्चन को अब यहीं छोड़ रही हूँ. ओके, आपको इस क्वेश्चन को आगे सॉल्व करना है. यू कैन सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन बाय यूजिंग फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड और बाय यूजिंग क्वाड्रेटिक मेथड. यू कैन सॉल्व इट बाय एनी मेथड. It is not compulsion that you have to solve this by quadratic formula. Okay, actually quadratic formula is some lengthy process. Now the question is very easy, become the factorization method. So you can proceed the word problem with the factorization method. Okay, now in this question we have to find out the factor of 21, then in such a way that when we subtract them then we get 4. So you can proceed it. Now I start the next question. Now the next question is, in a class test, the sum of the Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 2 marks less in English, now the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in 2 subjects. So student, the sum of Shefali's marks in maths and English means मैथ्स एंड इंग्लिश की जो सम मार्क्स हैं उन दोनों का एडिशन आपको गिवन है 30. सो वी सपोज दैट लेट marks of maths is equals to x. Therefore marks in English, अगर x हमने सपोज किया, क्योंकि देखो आपके पास इंग्लिश प्लस मैथ्स इनके मार्क्स आपको 30 गिवन है. सो इफ़ यू सपोज मैथ्स मार्क्स इक्वल्स टू x, देन व्हाट आर द मार्क्स ऑफ इंग्लिश? तो इंग्लिश मार्क्स आपके हो जाएंगे 30 माइनस एक्स. क्लियर? सो वी सपोज दैट 30 माइनस एक्स. नाउ अब आपको एक रिलेशन गिवन है इन दोनों वेरिएबल्स में. दीज आर अवर 2 वेरिएबल्स. ओके, नाउ had she got 2 marks more in mathematics means मैथ्स हमारा हमने क्या सपोज किया x. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, सो मैथ्स में उसको कितने मार्क्स आए x प्लस 2 मार्क्स ज़्यादा हैं. एंड ये कह रहा है 3 मार्क्स लेस इन इंग्लिश. सो यहाँ पर हो जाएगा आपका 30 माइनस एक्स माइनस 3 आपने लेस कर दिया. एंड द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ देयर मार्क्स, अब जो इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट होगा 2 मार्क्स मोर का एंड 3 मार्क्स लेस का, इन दोनों का जो प्रोडक्ट होगा दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 210. ओके, सो हियर वी गेट x प्लस 2 एंड दिस बिकम्स 27 minus x equals to 210. Now when you open it, then you get 27x minus x square plus 54 minus 2x equals to 210. Okay, so 20x minus x square, this becomes plus 25x plus 54 minus 210. Okay, so here we get minus x square plus 25x and minus 156 equals to 0. When you take minus as common, then it becomes this x square minus 25x plus 156 equals to 0. Okay, so our quadratic equation is x square minus 25x plus 156 equals to 0. This is our quadratic equation. Now you can solve this equation by using quadratic formula or by factorization. When you solve it factorization, then it become easy. Okay, because in quadratic formula this value of c b is very greater, so calculations are very big. So you can solve it by factorization method. Now question number 5. Now our next question is, the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side and the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. Then find out the sides of the field. Okay, so simply rectangular field means there is a rectangle. Okay, this is our longer side and this is our shorter side, and this part is a diagonal. Okay, this is diagonal, this is longer side and this is shorter side. So question is that the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 more than its shorter side. जो डायगोनल है वो इस शॉर्टर का 60 मोर है. ओके, क्या बोल रहा है ये देखो, जो डायगोनल है वो इस शॉर्टर का 60 मोर है एंड लॉन्गर साइड जो है आपकी ये L, दिस लॉन्गर साइड इज 30 मीटर मोर देन. ओके, इज 30 मीटर मोर देन द शॉर्टर साइड. तो 30 मीटर मोर देन द शॉर्टर साइड, तो ये हो गया 30 मोर देन शॉर्टर. सो देखो यहाँ पर आपका जो डायगोनल है वो भी आपका इस शॉर्टर का मीन्स बी का मोर देन 60 है. सो हम यहाँ सपोज करेंगे कि लेट द शॉर्टर साइड इज इक्वल्स टू x मीटर्स. देयरफॉर अगर आपने शॉर्टर को x से सपोज कर लिया तो आपका डायगोनल क्या हो गया, डायगोनल इज इक्वल्स टू x प्लस 60. ओके, and the larger side is x plus 30, क्योंकि उसने कहा कि जो लार्जर साइड है वो भी क्या है शॉर्टर का 30 मोर है, तो आपका ये क्या हो गया x plus 30. नाउ द डायगोनल, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डायगोनल? इन दिस rectangle we can say that this is a right angle triangle, so we can by using पाइथागोरस थ्योरम क्या कह सकते हैं हम कि दिस डायगोनल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू बी स्क्वायर प्लस एल स्क्वायर. सो इट बिकम्स डायगोनल इज आर एक्स प्लस 60 स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू शॉर्टर साइड इज एक्स स्क्वायर एंड द स्मॉलर साइड इज एक्स प्लस 30 का स्क्वायर. ओके, नाउ सिंपली वी कैन सॉल्व this by squaring, that is x square plus 900 plus 2ab, so it becomes the 60x. And similarly x square plus 60 square means 3600 plus 62 that 120x. okay, x से x cancel, and when you resolve it, then we get this x square plus 60x plus 900 minus 3600 minus 120x equal to 0. Clear? So we get x square minus this becomes 60x, and when you subtract this, then you get 2700 equals to 0. Students, this question is become very easy if you are solving this by factorization method, because we have to find out the two factors such that when we multiply it, then we get 2700, and when we subtract it, then we get 60. So simply it is 90 minus 30 is equals to 60, and 90 into 30 is become 2700. So you can solve this 90x minus 30x plus 30x and minus 2700. We are solving this equation by splitting the middle term. So this 60 becomes minus 90 plus 30. See, when you subtract them, then you get 60. Okay, when you multiply it, then you get 2700. So these are our two factors: x minus 90 plus 30, x minus 90 equals to 0, x minus 90 and x plus 30 equal to 0. So x equals to 90, or we say that x equals to minus 30. But we can say that the length cannot be negative, so we consider only the positive value. So are the shorter length here, or we can side, is equals to 90 meter, diagonal is equals to x plus 60, that is 90 plus 60, that is 0, and 9 plus 6 is 50 meter, and the longer side is x plus 30, that is 60 plus 30, it means 90 meter. So these are the three dimensions: shorter side, this is diagonal, and this is larger side. These are the answers. Thank you so much.